What's up, vlog? Me and my boy Tim, right here back with another video. We going to the Atlanta Motor Speedway, part 2, but car meet. We're taking this scat, getting her a wash real quick. Like shit. Oh, the back window's up, down. The window's down still. I had to double check. What we about to give the girl wash, and I'll get back with y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Or I just paid off. You got it? Yeah. I'll be here for 15 minutes though. 15 minutes. What's up, vlog? Yo.
Man, that turbo sounds good, bro.
We out here now. In the mix of it. Got airplanes and shit out here. Little private jets. Private planes. Jet fuel and all that.
I tried to, I hit up these people on Instagram about a jet. Like the charter one.
You better be doing real business then.
They said from here to Puerto Rico round trip, 50 grand. Oh, I still got the messages.
I'm trying to find somebody I could be like business partners with.
Yeah.
And us go out and fucking do fun shit.
Look, I'm looking for a round trip for 8 to Puerto Rico. 58 for a super light jet. 65 for a mid. Wow, what? Man, that's a lot of fucking money.
Damn.
Shit, one day he's gonna have
2,000 years later.
one fucking day.
Y'all gotta subscribe to make these things happen.
Oh God.
Subscribe. It's just one button, one click of a button. Get your boy popping. Get us popping. And we'll provide y'all with some good content too. That's all it's about, just giving good content. At the end of the day, just having fun. Out here having fun. Being yourself. Living life. One day at a time.
Are you serious?
Look at that.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. We popping out now. I'm gonna be seen today. I'm gonna be seen today. Look at that little Civic, too. Be out here for a little bit. Get us seated. Get us seated. Yo, we live. We live out here, too. That's the tunnel right there.
Oh, right here.
So they just got got a different setup. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right here. Yeah.
Damn.
Should I put my seatbelt on? I don't even think I need to put my seatbelt on. No ear.
I'll take my shirt off.
The speedway.
Yeah. They just cut in front of us. What the fuck?
They don't know where they're going. Look, they don't fucking. No cutscenes. But if y'all want to cut, we can cut too. We'll get over there too. I want my drink. I gotta wait till we get in here though. Damn. We'll get back with y'all in a little bit though. When we get in here, show them our tickets and shit. Slide up in here.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Just see a whole bunch of them in here. It's a thick of them. Alright. We get back with y'all.
Ta-da! Which one? Oh, that.
What is that?
Yeah.
Hot as shit.
Hat.
Yeah, boy.
My arm be like tired of holding this shit.
Okay.
Whoa.
I smell that.
I do too.
Where that coming from?
Huh?
Where's that coming from? DS18.
That gold truck, that shit was at the car meet.
That was?
Yeah. What? It was in the clip, man.
I need some food in me, y'all. Look, I need some food in me, yeah. Before we start walking around, yeah.
You see any?
Huh?
Do you see any?
All I see is a whole bunch of just like advertisement. Oh shit, they are out here.
Huh? What?
Quan.
Hello, Bozo.
That's clean.
general admission, how much is it?
35.
35.
What's his name? Agent.
Where?
Right there. He always comes out.
I don't really know Agent. Who's Agent?
Alright, he's from AMP.
That's him right
The
there.
Canadian one. Right there, he's up there.
With the dreads?
Yeah, on that side.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. I might give me I'm trying to figure out what I want. Now we right here.
Damn, this hot as fuck.
What you trying to get? What you trying to get?
Shit, I just want something to drink. I don't want no food right now.
Want something? They doing their thing. They doing their thing. Let's just get one of them then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because it's got like sugar in it.
How bad?
5 minutes later.
What do you say?
Oh.
What do you say?
So you can't get that unless you like medium. That's what I was saying. I was thinking we never put it in the light.
Come on, get out.
Go out there for 2 minutes. Go out there for 2 minutes and come back.
Oh, 2 minutes? They're all going out the jerk pit.
Pero Tony dijo que
Let me out of
Go out there, you gotta know how to drive.
Oh yeah. Yeah, look. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, really? No. Cause look, they just going around. Then what if you hit the fucking? So they just going in different cars each round.
no, hombre, aquí no hay accesorios.
Tim,
De perdida uno de
there's the shade
de seguridad.
over there. T Grizzly and the shade. Right there. I thought we were just talking to them. Where'd they go?
I just really wanted everybody. He's short as fuck, ain't he?
Yeah.
I make a lot more money. Look at the Lambo.
Huh?
Look at the Lambo.
What Lambo?
Oh, so if you've never been
Look,
in a
it's yellow.
drift car, here's your
Straight
chance.
ahead.
Make sure you get your tag-along tickets at the Clean Culture booth.
Oh shit.
You see it?
Yeah.
Man, you can't even see in this Lambo.
What does that say? Yeah. Years.
Look at that.
Double Sprite. Damn.
Easy.
Okay.
It's a BMW full of bitches.
You love it.
Oh God.
Pink band.
Huh?
I got you.
I got you, so
I hear you.
right.
How much? Shorts.
The short 60, the shirt's 40. Can't even beat that till you go on the mall. They tax
Yeah.
everything. Telling you, shit. Different color. Y'all want me to type? I can type it, but it kind of long. So, it's a black logo.
Yeah.
You notice I got you from the second you step out the car.
Appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you.
Oh, no, but I do. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Shit melts.
Huh?
Shit melting quick.
Yeah, yeah.
Support the brand. I support the brand. I support the brand. Where? You go back to the car? Just kick it in the car? Buy the car?
You want to?
Yeah. That is snakes. They brought the snake out. Where did it pop up in front of me? I just seen a snake pop up in front of me real quick. I was like, damn.
Oh, yeah, bro, I'm telling you, bro.
So you crank it up. I got a whole bunch of shit in here just everywhere, bro. Yo, shit.
Ooh, it's hot, boy.
Packed. It's hot as hell out there, though. Yeah. Damn. It's hot as hell. It feels like it did with Texas. About the same, man.
About the same?
About the same, man.
Damn.
Shit.
Oh, did Trey ever text back?
I ain't even checked. I'm just. What's up, y'all? I wish I could just sit here and have my damn camera just sit here and just. It's a. He just mad because he ain't got one.
Hater.
And then look at him. Big ass lane on that.
What?
That's around and get some scene for y'all. Super. Oh, yeah, different. Shit. He done brought his damn snake.
Fuck that snake.
What you trying to hear? You got a what?
Lock in?
Why?
Cause
Too many culos. Yeah, too many culos out here. All the way to.
Aha!
we got dollars glued to the window. You see it?
Why you do that?
I don't know. That little motherfucker finna pop. Little baby Sito.
Huh?
Huh?
That little kid,
What?
he's finna pop.
I feel tired too.
Tired?
Hell yeah. Try to set this up though. Shit. What you trying to get into, Tim?
What I'm trying to get into?
Yeah. This seemed dead. This seemed dead to me.
What?
What you want to do? Grab food?
2,000 years later.
I'm trying to see where Vit is. Vit make it home. They ain't talked to Vit since fucking shit. 1 o'clock. Bye. He's good, they good.
Where he at?
Home, been home, good. Yeah, I had to throw my gun out. That shit got old.
Yeah.
And then fucking this shit. He brought his mini bike. Shit, I need to get my bike fucking going too. Do that bitch to Norcross. Get that bitch fixed so I can fucking take that bitch out too.
Sure.
Yeah.
That people right there with the PF shirt, they be doing the takeover. Pink Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Yeah, on back of his shirt.
Alright.
That, right there, the white shirt. Pink Flamingo USA.
Oh yeah. That clothing brand's been out for a minute, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
My sister used to tell me about that clothing brand.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's like height wear, ain't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like height wear. She got her cheeks out. I'm gonna get in trouble. Well, that was out at Lanier. Yeah. My boy said he went to take his car out there.
Who's that, Chevelle?
Chevelle. That ain't his car. Somebody else. He didn't even post his car on there. Respect your elders. Rolling out. Rolling out. Dang, I need to get some more content outside. It's just hot. Damn. Look at that one. That's clean.
Why the hell she look at the car like that? She hating?
She wasn't hating. Just trying to be seen on the camera. So there's a camera. Okay.
GTR coming.
Bro, that bit look like the Joker.
Hell yeah.
Oh, he just came by, yeah. I think he did. He's just going around. Don't drive naked. He falling off his dirt bike. my boy Rico, he flying off the dirt bike. See, that's it right there. That's what he need to be farting on right there. Like something like that, man. Can't be hating though. Can't be hating. Whoa. Gotta respect the builds. Like he filming low key. You see him with his GoPro.